In this video, I'll show you how to group text in Canva. First, open your Canva project. So this is my Canva project and I need to group all of the text in my Canva project so that I can move it at once and the whole text will act like a single element. So how we can do this? Select each of the text by pressing Shift and selecting one by one text. So I'm selecting all of the text and all of the elements under this text. So I think everything is done. And now select or click group. So now all of the text is acting like a single element and it is a group. I can now adjust it. Let's say I want to make it bigger or I can make it smaller. I can shift it or I can adjust it any part of my design. Let's say I want to add an image, a guy. So I want to add the image here. My design and want to adjust the group text here. So this is pretty straightforward and simple. You can also now ungroup your text, select it and click ungroup, and all of the text part is now separated from the group. Now you can just download your design or you can use it in any of your purpose. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, ask the question in the comment section. I will read and reply your comment very soon.